Ever stare at your NetSuite dashboard and thought, there's got to be a better way to see what I actually need? You're not alone. NetSuite is a powerhouse of information, but out of the box, it can feel like drinking from a fire hose. Important KPIs get lost in a sea of data, and navigating to what matters most can eat up valuable time. Think about it. How many clicks does it take you right now to get a real-time snapshot of your sales performance? Or to see the status of your critical projects? If the answer is more than a couple, then stick around. Because in this video, we're going to unlock the true potential of your NetSuite dashboard. We'll transform it from a generic overview into a personalized command center, tailored precisely to your role and your priorities. Why is this so important? Well, a well-customized dashboard isn't just about aesthetics. It's about efficiency. It's about making data-driven decisions faster. It's about having the information you need, right when you need it, without having to dig through menus and reports. Imagine logging in each morning and instantly seeing the metrics that drive your day, the tasks that demand your attention, and the trends that shape your strategy. That's the power of a personalized NetSuite dashboard. Now, before we dive into the how-to, let's briefly touch on the what. What exactly can you customize on your NetSuite dashboard? The answer is quite a lot. We're talking about portlets. These are the building blocks of your dashboard, those little windows of information. You can add, remove, rearrange, and configure them to display everything from saved reports and KPIs to reminders, tasks, and even external website feeds. Layout, you're not stuck with a default 3-column layout. NetSuite offers various layout options, allowing you to structure your dashboard in a way that best suits your workflow and screen real estate. KPIs, key performance indicators, these are your critical metrics at a glance. You can choose from a vast library of pre-built KPIs or even create your own custom ones to track the performance indicators that matter most to your business. Shortcuts. Tired of navigating through the main menu? You can add shortcuts to frequently accessed pages and reports directly on your dashboard, saving you precious clicks. Reminders. Stay on top of your tasks and deadlines by displaying personalized reminders right on your dashboard. Graphs and charts. Visualize your data with a variety of charts and graphs, making it easier to spot trends and patterns. So, how do we actually make this magic happen? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Entering customization mode. The first thing you need to do is enter customization mode. When you're on your NetSuite dashboard, look for the Personalized Dashboard link in the upper right-hand corner. It might also appear as 3 vertical dots or a gear icon, depending on your NetSuite version. Clicking this will activate the customization interface, allowing you to make changes to your dashboard. Step 2. Adding portlets. Once in customization mode, you'll see an Add Portlets button, usually in the top left. Clicking this will open the Portlet library, a treasure trove of pre-built portlets categorized by function. Browse through the different categories such as activities, calendar, custom search, lists, KPIs, reports, snapshots, and suite analytics to find the portlets that will provide you with the most valuable information. To add a portlet, simply click the Add button next to it. The portlet will then appear on your dashboard, usually in the top left corner. Don't worry about its initial placement. We'll rearrange it in the next step. Some popular portlets you might consider are KPI Meter/Scorecard. Displays key performance indicators in a visually appealing format. Saved Reports allows you to display the results of your saved reports directly on your dashboard. Reminders shows you a list of your pending tasks and deadlines. Calendar provides a quick view of your upcoming events. Quick Add gives you shortcuts to create new records like sales orders or purchase orders. Custom Search displays the results of your frequently used saved searches. Step 3. Rearranging and resizing portlets. Now that you've added some portlets, you'll likely want to arrange them in a way that makes sense for your workflow. To move a portlet, simply click and drag its title bar to your desired location on the dashboard. As you drag, you'll see visual cues indicating where the portlet will be placed. You can also resize portlets to better utilize your screen real estate. Hover your mouse over the bottom or side edges of a portlet until you see a double-headed arrow. Then click and drag to adjust the portlet's size. Experiment with different layouts and sizes to find the arrangement that works best for you. You can choose from 1, 2, or 3-column layouts by clicking the Setup Content link in the customization toolbar. Step 4. Configuring portlets. Many portlets offer configuration options to further tailor their content and display. Once a portlet is added, hover over its title bar, and you'll often see icons like Setup, Edit, or a wrench. Clicking these icons will open a configuration window where you can customize things like KPIs, select which KPIs to display, choose the time period, and set thresholds for alerts. Save reports, choose which saved report to display and how many rows to show. Custom search, select the saved search to display and customize the displayed columns. Reminders, filter reminders by type and priority. Take some time to explore the configuration options for each of your portlets to ensure they are displaying the information you need in the most useful way. Step 5. Adding shortcuts. To further streamline your navigation, consider adding shortcuts to frequently accessed pages and reports. In customization mode, look for the Shortcuts portlet in the Portlet library and add it to your dashboard. Once added, click the Setup icon within the Shortcuts portlet. Here, you can add links to specific NetSuite pages, saved reports, or even external websites. Give your shortcuts clear and concise names for easy identification. Step 6. Utilizing Suite Analytics portlets. For more advanced data visualization, explore the Suite Analytics portlets. These allow you to embed charts, graphs, and pivot tables directly onto your dashboard, providing powerful insights at a glance. You can create these analytics views using NetSuite's Suite Analytics workbook or by leveraging saved searches with charting capabilities. Step 7. Saving your changes. Once you've customized your dashboard to your liking, be sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Done button within the customization toolbar. Clicking this will apply your modifications, and your personalized dashboard will be ready for you the next time you log in. Remember, dashboard customization is an ongoing process. As your role evolves and your priorities change, you may need to revisit your dashboard and make further adjustments. Don't be afraid to experiment with different portlets and layouts to find what works best for you. The goal is to create a dynamic and informative command center that empowers you to work more efficiently and make better decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.